The MRCOOL 18000 BTU 230V ductless inverter mini split air conditioner and heat pump system is a versatile climate control solution designed for home. I have provided the link to this air conditioner in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. This easy-to-install wall-mounted unit combines both heating and cooling capabilities, making it an ideal HVAC choice for year-round comfort in spaces up to 800 square feet. Its ductless design simplifies installation and helps maintain a sleek, modern look without the need for bulky ductwork. The unit operates with a 230-volt power supply and delivers a strong 18,000 BTU cooling capacity that efficiently regulates indoor temperature. Beyond cooling, it also functions as a heat pump, providing reliable warmth during colder months, which means it can be your all-in-one climate solution. The MRCOOL Mini Split features advanced technology such as Active Clean, which works continuously to keep the indoor air fresh and reduce dust and allergens. The easy-to-clean filters contribute to maintaining superior air quality, making it a healthy choice for households and workspaces alike. With a low noise output of just 43 decibels, this air conditioner runs quietly, ensuring minimal disruption in your living or working environment. It also includes a timer mode for customizable operation and a refrigerant leakage detection system that helps safeguard the unit's performance and longevity. Designed with user convenience in mind, the compact dimensions of 13.27 inches depth, 34.92 inches width, and 24.02 inches height allow it to fit comfortably in various rooms without occupying too much space. The clean white finish further complements different interior styles. In summary, the MRCOOL Easy Pro Series Mini Split Air Conditioner offers an efficient, quiet, and technologically advanced solution for maintaining comfortable indoor temperatures throughout the year. Whether you need cooling during the hot summer or heating in the winter, this unit provides reliable performance with easy installation and maintenance, ensuring a comfortable and fresh environment for your home, office, or commercial space.